If someone's asking you to co-sign on a loan, but you plan on buying real estate for yourself in the next 12 months, here's exactly what you need to know and how it will impact everybody involved. Hi, I'm Justin Brown, mortgage pro and real estate investor, and I've been doing this a very long time. So here is exactly what you need to know on this today. So if you do plan on buying a home in the next 12 months, the best time to co-sign, honestly, is never. But there are some instances where it might be okay, or some ways to do it where it won't impact your qualifications when you go to buy a home yourself. That's basically going to be on something that's not really considered financing in the first place, like if you're co-signing for someone on an apartment. But if it's something like trying to buy real estate themselves, take out student loans, a car loan, or even credit cards, that will absolutely impact you and hurt what you qualify for at least 12 months or more. What you could do to help offset this is once they have actually made 12 on-time payments, so they've made all the payments directly for the last 12 months with no late payments, and the payments have to come out of their own completely separate account. It can't be a bank account that both of you are on or that you're on in any way. You also can't be transferring money to them every month to help them make the payment. So they have to be completely independently out of an independent account making those monthly payments on that obligation for 12 months. Then at that point, the banks won't actually count it against you anymore if you go to buy a property. Another thing is the payments obviously have to be made on time as well, because if they're not, it's going to damage your credit quite a bit and hinder your chances of being able to qualify for something yourself. So if you are going to co-sign for somebody on anything, no matter what it is, you basically need to be willing to bet your credit and your own plans that they're going to actually make those payments on time, because if they don't, it could derail both. Now, on the flip side, if you're the person that needs someone to co-sign for them, it really has no negative impact on you when you're trying to buy real estate or you're trying to get future credit. If anything, it just helps increase your buying power when you have somebody co-sign for you. But one misconception around this that most people have is if you're trying to qualify for a mortgage and you have bad credit and you don't qualify because of your credit scores, a cosigner typically won't offset your bad credit. It will only help you qualify income-wise. So if your income's not enough, a cosigner will absolutely help you with that. But if your credit scores aren't high enough, a cosigner's not going to change that or help that, unfortunately. And all this information I just gave you guys is basically going to be the same no matter what type of loan program you're looking at. So if you have any questions around cosigning at all, make sure to drop them in the comments, hit that like and subscribe button for more.